morning, second class children. Very good morning, children. I hope everyone is ready for the class, right? Okay. So, which lesson I taught you? Yes. Which lesson I was explaining you now, right now? Yes. Plants are useful. Okay. How, in which way the plants are useful in our daily life? Okay. Had you understood the previous sessions? Is it clear for you all? Can you able to follow my class? Okay. So what do you understand that previous class? What do you have learned? And what do you listen my class? Okay. So you had learnt what what I had explained about the in which way we eat the parts of the plant. Leaves, flowers, fruit, isn't it? So we eat the leaves of some plants. I had explained about that. Then I had explained about what? Then, yes, medicinal plants. Then I explained about the way from where do we get tea, coffee and what else? Yes, sugar. Okay. So all those things from where do we get? We get all those things from plants, from various plants. But in which way? Tea from tea leaves, coffee berries. Like coffee is also one type of seed, but you should have to say coffee berries. Okay. Then what about sugar? You get the sugar from the stem of the plant. You get sugar from the stem of what is the stem here? No, teacher is saying that it is stem of the plant. Which stem? Sugar cane. Yes. Obviously, the sugar where do we get? From sugar cane. Yes, you had learned about. Tell me about the medicinal plants. What do you have? Yesterday I had explained about the medicinal plants. I had given some example. Very simple example I had shown to you. Isn't it, children? I can show medicinal plants, so many are there. But I can give only 2 or 3 for you to understand. Even plants, it gives us medicine. Okay. Like what? What is that? Yes. Like neem. You can take the neem tree. Neem leaves also it is a medicinal plant. Isn't it? When you get any chicken pox, no? What mother will, she will keep it on the bed? Neem leaves. Why she will spread? Because for your chillness, to keep your body cool, isn't it? It is also one type of medicinal plant. Neem leaf is also one type of medicinal plant. What about tulsi? Tulsi is also one type of medicinal plant. Tulsi is also one type of medicinal plant. Yes, you can use it in the daily life. Tulsi leaves. Okay. Now number 3, eucalyptus. Eucalyptus is also one of the medicinal plant. Okay. So those some plants which gives us medicines too. Okay. Now let me talk about the fiber. Teacher, what is fiber? From where do we get fiber? Yes. Fiber is what? Tin-like structure. Okay. So that we get from what? Why okay, I'll tell you that from where do we get? We get from cotton plant. We get from fibers we can get from cotton plant, and you can take even coconut tree also. We get jute. Okay, I think so many jute bags you have seen it. Jute bags for lunch basket you are used to get it in the jute bags, isn't it? Nowadays so many children are getting in which bag? They are using jute bags. Okay, from where do you get this jute? You tell me. Yes, from the coconut tree. They will remove the coir from the tree. Okay, so then later on you tell me about the cotton. Cotton also what? It is a fiber. It is also one type of fiber. So why this fiber is helpful to what? To prepare a cloth. To prepare a cloth. Okay. Now the next one. Medicinal plant over, teacher. You explained about tea, coffee and sugar. That's good. Then you had taught about the fibers is also over. Now what else I should have to explain now? Today what is a new topic we are going to discuss? Yes, about the spices. About spices. Okay. Now listen here. I am going to explain about the spices. Okay. Now lesson number 2. It is a plants are useful. I had explained. I had told you that before. Before I start my class, plants are useful. Okay. Okay. Spices. Spices. What are the spices? Yes. Pepper. Okay. What is that? pepper, cloves, cinnamon. Okay, then what cinnamon, then yes, even you can take cardamom. Okay, coriander, cardamoms, coriander seeds, not coriander, it is a coriander seeds. Okay, coriander seeds. Okay, even so all this black pepper, everything, all those comes under what? Spices. Okay, why we use the spices, teacher? For what purpose? Spices ante enti? Karamu. Karam, even dry chilies. Okay, ఎండమిరపకాయలు ఉంది కదా, అది కూడా స్పైసెస్. పెప్పర్, మిరియాలు. క్లోవ్స్ అంటే ఏంటి? లవంగము. సినమోన్ అంటే చెక్క, తెలుసా కదా, గరం మసాలా వేస్తారు కదా మమ్మీ కర్రీస్లో, అవి. ఓకే, కార్డమం అంటే ఏలకాయలు, అంటే ఇలాచి. దెన్ coriander seeds అంటే ధనియా గింజలు. ఓకే, సో ఐ హ్యాడ్ ట్రాన్స్లేటెడ్ ఇన్ యువర్ మదర్ టంగ్ టు అండర్స్టాండ్, టు మేక్ షుడ్ బి వెరీ క్లియర్ ఫర్ యూ. సో స్పైసెస్ అంటే ఏంటి? కారం. అవును, ఇవన్నీ ఎందుకు వాడతారు మమ్మీ ఇంట్లో కిచెన్లో? మీకు అందరికి కర్రీస్ అన్నీ టేస్టీగా చేసేస్తున్నారు కదా. మామ్ విల్ ప్రిపేర్ వెరీ టేస్టీ ఫుడ్. హౌ డు వి గెట్? Yes, because with the help of what mummy is adding there, she is adding what? Spices, isn't it? Why she add the spices? To get color and flavor. To get color and flavor. Okay, మనకి కలర్ వస్తుంది దానివల్ల, ఇంకా ఏంటి? టేస్టీగా ఉంటుంది. మమ్మీ అదే కారం లేకుండా, ఉప్పు లేకుండా వంట చేసి ఏం చేశారు? మమ్మీ బాగలేదు వంట, అయ్యో మమ్మీ కర్రీ బాగలేదు, చెప్పగా ఉంది అంటారా కదా? అవునా? మీకు ఎలా ఉండాలి? మంచి స్పైసీ టేస్టీగా ఉండాలి, చూడడానికి కలర్ఫుల్గా ఉండాలి. యూ టేక్ టమాటో రైస్, అందరు టమాటో రైస్ అంటే ఇష్టము. లెమన్ రైస్, ఎస్, లెమన్ రైస్ అంటే అందరికి మౌతూసింగ్ కదా. ఎస్, యూ యూస్ టు గెట్ డైలీ లెమన్ రైస్ ఆర్ టమాటో రైస్, ఇజంట్ ఇట్? సో వాట్ అబౌట్ దాల్ రైస్? ఎస్, దట్ ఈస్ ఆల్ different colors. Lemon rice in yellow color, tomato rice is red in color, and dal rice also some red in color. Yes, mummy only she is mixing only water and dal. No, she is adding what? Spices and salt. Why she add this all those things? Because to get flavor, మంచి టేస్ట్ రావడానికి మమ్మీ ఇవన్నీ యాడ్ చేస్తే మీకు వంట చేసి కర్రీస్ పెడుతున్నారు. ఓకేనా? సో దీస్ ఆల్ గివ్స్ వాట్? స్పైసెస్ ఆల్వేస్ గివ్స్ అ ఫ్లేవర్ అండ్ టేస్ట్. ఫ్లేవర్ అంటే ఏంటి? టేస్ట్. కలర్, flavor and color. Not only flavor comes under taste only, you can say flavor and color. Okay, spices comes under what? Flavor and color. Because to make that food very tasty. Understand? అదే అన్నం రేపు మమ్మీకి చెప్పండి, ఉప్పు కారం లేకుండా అన్నం వండి వేస్తే మీరు తింటారా అందరు ఇంట్లో? Will you have it? No, you won't touch the food also, isn't it? You will say, mummy, teacher, this is not at all tasty. Why? Because why you are saying? Because no spicy, no salty, isn't it? That is why I said. So spices are gives what? More flavor and color. Is it clear, children? Spices. Okay, plants gives only spices. Okay, you get only medicines and fibers. No, you get some more things. What is that? Guess. Yes, that is gum, paper, isn't it? You get wood also. Good. So wood also. Gum, paper. Yesterday I explained about the wood, isn't it? The next one is, one more thing you can say. 1, number 2 paper, 3 wood, and 4 is bamboo. That is to make the paper. Acacia, you will get from acacia. Which tree you will get the gum? Acacia. Okay, paper from the bamboo leaf. Okay, this is wood from teak. Then rubber tree, you will get rubber. From rubber tree you get rubber. Is it clear now? Now listen here, children. From acacia tree what do you get? Gum. Okay, from bamboo tree what is it is helpful for? To, yes, to make papers. Then what about teak? Wood. You get from teak plant what? Wood. What about rubber tree? You get rubber. So what else things you have seen now? What are the things you are getting from plants? Other than that, yes, that is gum, paper, wood and rubber. Okay. So what do you understand now? Not only medicinal plants, or they give only fiber or medicines, or they give tea, coffee and sugar. Other than that, what? We get what? What are the things we get from? Gum, paper, wood, rubber. All the things from where do we get? From home? No. Yes, someone will get and give it to you like other books? No. So what, from where do we get all those things? From plants. Or the things will come under from animals? No. You get all those things from plants. Okay. Spices also from plants. Is it clear, children? Now let me discuss the next topic. Okay. Just a minute. So you have understood this class? The spices and other things? Okay. Now let me explain about the flowers. Okay. Have you seen different kinds of flowers, isn't it? Okay. Now I'll explain about the flowers. Okay. Now some flowers are there. Like see, you take jasmine. Okay. Take jasmine, lily and rose. Okay. They are in different colors. All the flowers in different colors, isn't it? Okay. Are they useful only in the flowers way? No. They can be used in, they can be made for what? What is the purpose? For shampoo. Okay. They are used to make perfume, soap. They all used to make perfumes and soap. Okay. Some plants like rose, jasmine, lily are used to what? They can be used in which way? Shampoo. Okay. Perfumes and soap. So some flowers can be, so listen here. So flowers not only for, it will be used in shampoo or perfume or soap. Yes, they can be used in for what purpose? For decoration. For decoration. For what decoration, teacher? Yes, if you have any function in your house, so will you be, without decorating your house with only with the help of papers you will decorate it? No. You will use the n number of flowers for decorations. What type of flowers? You can take marigold. Is useful for what? For decoration purpose. And next so many flowers are there, but I am showing the marigold. Okay. Now listen, marigold is also one type of flower, but it is useful for what purpose? For decorations. Is it clear, all of you children? So flowers not only they are used in shampoo, perfumes or soap, they are used for what purpose? For decoration. Decoration means what? Your birthday party might be, your like your uncle aunt, any like wedding time, isn't it? Wedding decorations for wedding purpose also they are using for decoration, isn't it? Flowers are used in for decoration purpose. Jasmine, lily and rose, they are used for what purpose? Shampoo, perfume, soap. Other than that, they can be used for decoration. Is it clear, children, now? Okay. Now, what are the things we had learned from the previous session, from past first day, second day, and today it was the third day, isn't it? So, how do you remember what I taught you? Yes, plants are very useful in our daily life. Okay. Number 2, what do you understand? We should not pluck leaves and flowers. That is most important. We should never pluck any leaves or any flowers. If you like any flower, you just be happy by seeing that flower, and you don't go and pluck the flower, or unnecessarily don't pluck the leaves. Okay. అనవసరంగా వెళ్ళి ఆ పూని గిల్లడము, ఆకుని గిల్లి కింద పడడము అవలా చేయకూడదు. That is wrong. You should not pluck any plant of flower or leaves. Is it clear, children? So plants are very important in our daily life. They are very useful also in so many ways. Plants are useful in so many ways. It is not only used in one way, or only for medicine, or only for fiber. No, they are used in so many ways. Okay, children. Now, what do you understand here? What are the things you have understand in the class? Can you able to say? Yes, they are not only useful, they are used in so many ways. Okay, we eat different parts of the plants. We eat different parts of plants of food. We get wood, fiber, medicine, spices and other than perfumes and plants. From plants you are getting all those things. Plants to keep the air fresh. Why we used to grow the plants? To keep the air fresh. We used to get from where do you get the fresh air? We get the fresh air from where? From plants. We get the fresh air from plants, isn't it? So plants are very useful in our life. Okay children, I hope second class children, this class is very clear for you all. The way I had explained you very detailed way, how they are useful, in which way they are helpful for us, isn't it? So please keep on listening these sessions all and try to understand the class. Okay, thank you second class children, take care.